video will show you how to enter your DRA2 data into SOARS. Once you log into SOARS, it will bring you to this page. If you go to Student Need, select Enter Assessment Scores Benchmark. It will bring you to the page where you want to go through those filters and filter in your grade yourself. I'll just select a second grade teacher. And then you do need to select homeroom under your course in order for it to work. If it doesn't already pre-fill DRA2, you'll need to select it from the drop-down menu and then select Enter Scores, and that will bring up your class. And then just going through everyone, you'll need to select Edit. Sometimes it's weird, I'll get this message if I X out and I try again, it will work. I don't know why. But then you'll just go ahead and go through the different areas just to fill in their level, their oral reading fluency, etc., all the way down to the end. Do notice that this is different than what your rubric will show. As of now, I am working with the SOARS IT people to get that updated. So don't fret, that will be updated by the time you start entering that information. All information is due into SOARS regarding DRA2 by Friday, May 11th. Please let me know if I can help in any way. Do make sure, just going back to this individual student, do make sure to hit save at the end. Please let me know if I can help in any way. Thanks so much.